What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Smoove, and you already know what's happening. The best shape from the banger. And you see by the title of this video, it's another lit one. Now this video is gonna be why some men start going bald early and in their 20s. And I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. We're gonna jump right into it. But y'all go ahead and leave a like for me. Subscribe to the channel to get me to 10K. But you know what? Enough talking, let's jump right into it. Alright, so look, I'm not gonna make this video long. First thing first, what I'm gonna say is the reason why a lot of men go bald early. Number one is the type of products you use in your hair. No matter what race you is, you gotta look and you gotta think about the products you're using. Now, I'm not gonna single out any products, like I'm not gonna name brands, but I'm gonna describe the type of products I'm talking about. Now, look, you gotta think about it like this. Now, if you spraying products on your hair every day to keep it in a certain form, to keep it stiff or keep it tight, style it, you gotta understand it's cool to do sometime. Like, I would do that on certain occasions. Like, if I know I'm going to like a specific date or something and I want my hair to be styled a certain way, want it to stick or something, then I would use it. But every day I'm going to school or every day I wake up going to work, you putting the same product in your hair, keeping it stiff, you messing your hair up. And you might be good for a couple years, but when you start getting in your late 20s, your 30s, your hair gonna start falling out because you ain't treating it right. Y'all gotta understand, bro, your body, this body you got is important. We only get one body, we only get one life. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta take care of what you got. And you gotta think of everything the same. You gotta think of everything as like what you put in your body, what you put on your body, what's on your body, like your hair, your skin, all that's important. You got to take care of it, like, to the best of your ability. So if you spraying that type stuff on your hair, like spritz, I'm gonna just say spritz, because that ain't no brand, ain't no specific brand. Or is it a brand? I don't know if that's a brand, but if that's a brand, then I apologize. But like spritz, you know, it keep your hair real stiff. But it, like, let's say you want your hair to lay down like this, you spray spritz on it and it's gonna lay down, but it's not healthy for your hair. You get 30, your shit gonna be loose as hell, it's gonna be falling out. Another type of product that I would like stay away from, like, it's cool, like if you got waves, like real greasy products. And I ain't gonna single out no product, but like any product that's similar to like a Vaseline, you gotta think about it. Like you gotta think about putting Vaseline like on your beard or something like that. It's gonna make your shit fall out because it's too much DHT blockers in there. It's not good for your hair. So if you put in products that's similar to Vaseline, like real greasy in your hair, just to make it shine or something, like I'm saying, do it on certain occasions. Like you got to a wedding, you going on a smooth date or something, you want your shit to be shining, you want your waves to be shining, your dreads to be shining, use it then, but don't be using them products on an everyday basis. You're gonna mess your hair up. And like I'm saying, while you're young, you ain't gonna really notice it too much because you're young, you're still growing, your hair's still coming in. But the older you get, y'all know there's less testosterone you produce. Sorry if I talk fast, y'all. It's just how I do it, man. But you know what I'm saying, the older you get, the less testosterone you produce. You know what I'm saying? So just the less your hair gonna grow back and correct the errors that you're making. So just be cautious of the products you're using. That's number one, because that's the main thing that causes people to lose their hair, because they either putting the wrong products in their hair and they're just not taking care of it. So that's number one. Number two, y'all, a lot of people not going to hear this, but it's genetics, you know. So you got to look at like your family tree. Like look at your uncles, look at your father, look at your mother or whatever. Look at all that, your grandpa, and look at their hair and how that is going. Because 9 times out of 10, like if they're receding a lot or they're going bald early, it's a high chance that it's probably somewhere in your genes that's just what's in your genes, you know. But it's different ways you can prevent it. Like start early by taking care of your hair, putting the right oils in there, because it's really growth. It's growth promoting oils, you know what I'm saying, out there. And just to name a couple off bat: Jojoba oil, tea tree oil, Jamaican castor oil, Argan oil. Them just a few off the top. It's plenty more, man. Do your research. Check out my channel. I don't drop a lot of videos talking about different oils, but them the products you need to be putting in your hair to keep them healthy, keep it soft and moisturized. Because your hair is just like your skin. You put lotion on, you got to keep it moisturized. That's the only way it's gonna shine. It's the only way it's gonna grow. And this is me giving y'all tips. So that's number two, is genetics, man. Look at your past family, and maybe like if you look at your father, like, and you see that he going bald, ask him like, pops, like, you know what I'm saying, like, what kind of products was you using before you start, like, your hair started going bald or receding? You know what I'm saying? Say it in a smooth way. You ain't got to be on a disrespectful shit like, damn, pops, you bald, why your shit going, you know? Just be on some smooth shit like, pops, man, I'm just kind of curious, like, what type of stuff you was using so I can, like, prevent it in a way. And 9 times out of 10, your parent gonna want to help you out, or your grandfather, or whatever the case may be. So that's number two, genetics. Number one, the products you're using. Number two, genetics. Okay, number three is gonna be your diet, man. And the reason why this is important, because I feel like your diet is the I feel like everything's like a cycle. You know how it's like it's a food cycle. Like you want to eat this amount of this, or that amount of that, this amount of fruits. You know, everything's a balance, and your diet is important because it's gonna keep everything in line as far as your health, your mood, your attitude, being productive, manifesting. I feel like all that really start with your diet, because if you're eating sloppy, your energy gonna be off. You ain't gonna want to do nothing. You ain't gonna want to stick to no routine. You ain't gonna want to wash your hair all the time. You ain't gonna want to be healthy. You're just gonna be going through life, you know. So I feel like that's where it starts. So be paying attention to your diet. And I'm not saying you gotta be perfect. I ain't gonna say you gotta eat vegetables only every day, but just be cautious. Like, don't be drinking sodas every day. If you want to have a soda every now and then, cool. You know what I'm saying? We human. I do the same shit, you feel me? If you want to have a soda every now and then, cool, but don't be turning shit to a habit to where you killing the whole 6-pack in a day. Don't be eating fries and wings every day of the week, because it's just bad diet. It's gonna be, your mood gonna be messed up. You ain't gonna want to do nothing. You ain't gonna want to stick to no routine. It's gonna be hard for you to manifest. It's gonna be hard for you to wake up and want to go to the gym. So and with that being said, that's the start of all that, is your health, and you're going to the gym, and all that is the start of like healthy hair growth. So if you're eating bad, you already setting yourself up for failure. You know what I'm saying? Number 3 is your diet. So yeah. Number 4, fourth tip I got is exercise, man. This ties into what I said last about a diet. Exercise is gonna keep you in the mood. It's gonna want to keep you focused on your routine. And routine is important. Like I'm saying, you want to moisturize your hair. You want to turn it into like a daily thing, you know. And going to the gym is gonna help you out, because the more you're doing that, the more you align with your purpose, the more you want to do good for yourself. You want to better yourself. So. And also, you producing more testosterone. The more you work out, the more you get your blood pumping, and it's good for you. It's good for your beard growth, your skin, your hair growth, all that. I seen that's a lot of comments I had on videos like Smoove make some skincare videos, like how you get your skin clear. I had some comments saying that, and a lot of to do with, like, I don't necessarily do no specific skin routine, but I like to stay in the gym. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna get on here and lie to y'all and be like, I only drink water, cause look, I got a Powerade right here, but I got a water right here too. You see what I'm saying? So if I'm drinking a Powerade, I'm gonna make sure I drink a water too, like before I go to sleep or something like that. So just tie water into your diet, cause it's important. It's gonna keep your skin clear, so keep your body clear. It's gonna keep your hair healthy and shiny, and it's gonna help it grow. So exercising, that's number 4. Just being more cautious of what you put in your body and on your body, man. That's number 4. Number 5, this is the last one. I don't want to make this video too long, but number 5 is stress. Now, you might not understand how this ties to it, but stress got a lot to do with your overall health in general. So you don't want to be, a lot of things in life you can't control, don't get me wrong, but don't stress over a lot of things you really can't control, because you really just messing yourself up in the long run. Tied to your diet, stress is the same thing. Like, if you stressing out all the time, you're not gonna want to get up and do a lot of things. You're gonna want to sleep, mope around, be lazy. Now, this is from my personal experience. If you're different, let me know in the comment section. But if you understand what I'm saying, also let me know in the comment section. But I just know, like, when you stressed out, you're going through a lot, man. You don't even look. This I'm just telling y'all, for me, for instance, if I'm times that I'm stressed out, I'm going through a lot. Man, I don't put on no do-rag, I don't put on no bonnet, I don't wake up and do my beard routine. I just be stuck in the loop. It's like I be stuck in the loop. I just be, I lay down and shit and be stuck in my bed. So you don't want to be stressing. Like, of course you're human, so it's gonna be times where you're stressed out, but you don't want to be stuck in the loop. And if you is, then the best thing to do is just get up and do something. Get up and go exercise, get up and do some push-ups or something like that, just to get your mind off of that stressed out state, because that's gonna mess up your overall health, and you ain't gonna want to take care of your hair. And then that's another reason why people hair fall out, is because they be stressed out at an early age. And you probably also heard, like, people say when you start stressing a lot, you get gray hair. Because when you stressing, man, you messing up your testosterone levels. It's all about balance, like I said earlier. So the more you stress, you creating an imbalance in your health, which is bad. Now, when you happy and you doing things that you enjoy, that's a positive boost to your health. But when you're doing stuff that's negative, just start paying attention to yourself. And when you're going through tough times and stuff, just start, keep a journal or something, or in your notes, put it in your notes, and just pay attention to the signs, the different things that you're doing, the different foods that you're really attracted to. Like, for me, when I'm stressed out, I'm going through a lot, bro, I be wanting pizza all the time, I be wanting wings, and that's just patterns I've noticed with myself. Do that within yourself, man. Pay attention to your patterns, take care of your health, take care of the things that you care about, because we only get one life, and we gotta make this the best life we can make. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully I don't want to talking too fast. If I was, I apologize. It's a little feature they got to where you can, like, slow down the video So right now it's at normal. So put it at like 0.5 or something. You can slow it down if I'm talking too fast, or write notes, you know what I'm saying? But just do what's best for you. Find out what works for you, man. Them 5 tips why people hair go bald, start going bald early. And I want everybody to grow their hair as long as they can. I want everybody to grow their beards as long as they can. So follow the channel, stay tuned. I'm gonna be giving y'all more tips and everything. Love y'all, man. Peace. Have a good day. I'm out. Peace. I'm out though.